The new Autodesk Assistant helps reduce overall design time for designers by offering quick access to a number of help resources. Using the Autodesk Assistant, the designer can question the AI chat assistant to locate relevant documents from a number of available sources. Once questioned, the AI chat assistant will return a number of AI curated solutions to the problem, which can then be explored instantly. Further links are available from the extended list to further related resources. However, if further help is required, a support agent can be contacted directly in order to discuss the issue live. Once a discussion with an agent is requested, the designer's account information is automatically populated to speed up the support process. The support agent will then log into the chat and will first review the request and then initiate a discussion with the designer in order to solve the issue as quickly as possible. At the end of the discussion, a full transcript can be saved directly, but will also be emailed to the designer as a record of the interaction. As an alternative to the live chat with the support agent, the designer can initiate a support case. A support case form is presented with contact details and initial question pre-populated, which can then be edited. The option to upload relevant files is also available. Once the case has been submitted, a summary is produced with case number, all of which is emailed to the designer.